job for us. I've got it all figured out.
What could possibly go wrong?
Shit. Face it, genius. You've been played. This is where we part ways.
If you and Flynn hadn't screwed me over...
I had nothing to do.
You're gonna snatch that treasure right out from under me.
Don't ever see it coming.
Payback's a bitch.
They got us all killed!
So that's it, huh? Just gonna mow us down in cold blood?
Looks like it's the end of the road, mate.
Embrace your dreams. If you want to be a hero, you have dreams and honor. Whatever happens, protect your soldier honor.
Where's Angio? Sony's gone too. It means Angio has betrayed us as well.
Would I be the one to play the hero? Or would you?
It's all yours.
What the hell did you do, Angio? Is that your idea of honor?
I've become a monster. Those aren't the wings of a monster. What are they? Angel's wings.
To be human.
We are monsters.
We're not monsters, you hear me? We're a soldier. Where's your honor?
We have neither dreams nor honor.
Pushes him whispering, must have been out of his mind.